Hi guys, how you doing? So today in Excel we are going to study sum and length tutorial formula, which is an array formula. So as an example, I have taken a list of names for which I have to find out how many characters are there. So using length, we can find out the number of characters in a name, and we can sum the total number of characters present in the list of names provided. So it is coming around 20. So here we used two formulas separately in separate situations. So but here at once we'll combine both sum and length formula, and we'll get the result at once. So basically this will be the array formula where we would have to write the full formula, close all the brackets, then at the last we have to hold Control Shift and then enter. So this way, as you can see that it is giving the result, the same result which we took two formulas uh, in separate manner, and here we combined the both formulas and got the result at once. So this is how you can make your daily Excel work also easier. So I hope you like it. So please watch, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video.